Hello, today we want to share how we work with workflows. Workflows will help you create processes where you can share a document with multiple users. A workflow helps you define what fields in the document are going to be edited by each user. As you can see, we can review workflows we have created. We can see which workflows have been complete, and also we can create a new workflow. To create a new workflow, you need to select the document you want to work on, and now what we are going to do is add steps to our process. In Docspresso, you can select order or unordered workflows. Now we are going to create each step. In the steps, we can add users that are registered in Docspresso or users from outside. If the user is not in Docspresso, we just add an email, a user, a name, an email, and we select the fields that he or she is going to select. Notify is an option that will send an email to the user. We can reorder the users, and with that, more or less, we are done. Now we are going to add a name and a description to the workflow for further follow-up, and we can launch the workflow. To launch the workflow means we are going to send an email to the users. So we are ready to go. We hit send. Now we have a view where we can see the process, and the user will get an email. They will have a link. They don't need to have a user in Docspresso. They just click and go to the document, and in the document they only can edit the fields that have access. Everything else is locked, so they can just type whatever they want to add to the document, and when they are done, they click send, and they will have a window where they can confirm the workflow is complete, or they have a link to continue editing in the future. If they say it's done, there is a confirmation page, and the user is done. With that, our workflow will be complete, well, at least this step, and we can continue working in this workflow as we have seen. Thank you very much, and thank you for using Docspresso.